Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are visiting for the first time, my name is Aubrey and thanks so much for being here. I'm so excited. I got to 100 subscribers over the weekend and I actually got to 100 by like the very last minute of like August 31st. So I met my goal, getting to 100 before September, and I couldn't be happier. I'm so very grateful for everyone who has subscribed and who has just been with me through the beginning. I know it's only been like a month and a couple days, but still it means the world to me that you guys are here with me, watching me, and you give me all this great feedback and support and love, and it's just awesome. So I'm really excited for that. I'm also super excited because I spent the whole morning decorating my house for fall, and that's what this video is about. I'm going to take you on the behind scenes look of what it takes to decorate my house. So I'm going to show you some before and then some after of what my house looks like when I've decorated for fall. And I'm going to do a little giveaway for actually 2 people. Well, that's 2 people. So it's not anything too major, but you know, just to kind of send out my thanks for getting to 100 subscribers. I really am so grateful. And what better way to celebrate the fall than giving someone else some decor to decorate their house. So if you are interested to see how I decorate my house, what it looks like in the beginning and then in the end, and if you are interested in seeing what I am giving away for fall decorations, then make sure you keep watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Do it. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But without further ado, let's get on to decorating my house. I'm so excited. Oh, hi. But this is my first console table when you come into my house. And there's not much going on top because I've changed it a little bit. One of my favorite things though is apothecary jars, because you can just make them work with every season, holiday, whatever. But I got this console table off of Amazon for like $30. Then another, what do you call this? A bookcase, I guess. This one's my favorite. This is where I hold my records and my record player. I got a couple blankets rolled up in there, a runner, some pumpkins. Then this is kind of already started. Sorry, I couldn't wait. But I find the best pumpkins at TJ Maxx, I swear. That's an outdoor pumpkin, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it inside or outside. But then more apothecary jars. My mom helped me make this floral arrangement. All those flowers are from Michael's. They were on sale. And then this is another piece that I love to decorate right now. It's just me and Jake's little love nest. Yeah, so that's a bit about it for like spaces to decorate. So besides the stuff I've already shown you on my table, this is my bin for fall decor. I'm gonna go through it all and sit on the table so you guys can all see it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you, I actually just made this. It's a wooden craft. It's a 3-piece trio set of pumpkins. Now I'm just gonna zip by everything, because it'll take too long to show you everything. So that's all the fall stuff I have so far. It's quite a bit. I'm gonna show you a little bit more in depth on the table real quick. And then I'm gonna go to Michael's to get a couple more things. And my giveaway present, yay! Okay, so I've got some throw pillows, which I found at Target last year, and they're so freaking cute. These are just kind of like white plastic pumpkins. This is a porcelain, I got this, oh these are from Michael's. This is a porcelain. You could use it for soup if you wanted to. I didn't use it for soup last year, but pumpkin, I got that at TJ Maxx. It's one of my favorite things. It's like a burnt orange stacked pumpkin, TJ Maxx. I did that craft myself. I got this lantern from Wayfair. Got this black one from Walmart. I'm not sure where I got these pumpkins. Target little pumpkins, Target glass pumpkin. I made this fall craft. Of course, you know where I get my candles. Got this candle holder from Bath & Body, TJ Maxx. Got these from Down East. These were all on sale. These were all on sale. And then this bad boy, TJ Maxx. But now I'm gonna head out. Guys, I'm at Michael's. Let's go inside and see what they've got going on so I can finish up my decor. Okay, I just got back from Michael's and I found some fun stuff. Some loose leaves, pine cones and acorns for like vase filler. This cute little, I don't even know what you call it, vase setup. Then I got some floral and it's time to start decorating. So this next 3 minutes is me just decorating in fast motion. If you want to watch, by all means, do it. If not, then you can skip to 9 minutes and 29 seconds to kind of see the finished look of my home. Okay guys, so this is the final look at my house with all my decor done. guys, that's how I decorate my house. I had so much fun. I loved every second of it, whether it was going out and buying new stuff, getting all my old stuff out of the storage, and then just putting everything together and how it just all worked out perfectly. And I just love it. My house smells amazing right now. It looks so cute and cozy and so warm and inviting, and it was just such a blast. My mom was here helping me today. She just didn't want to be in the video, which it's up to her, whatever. But I just had so much fun, and I'm so glad you guys watched this. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, maybe for Halloween or Christmas, make sure you click the like button and let me know down below. If there were any pieces of decor that you just absolutely loved or had questions about, make sure you ask me and I'll answer them for sure. But you know, that's about it. I had so much fun again. Before I do go, I want to talk about the giveaway. So I am going to do 2 different giveaways. They're both fall decor. I did a poll on Instagram and people wanted me to do a fall decor giveaway more than beauty, which, oh no, I didn't break it, I promise, but it did fall. Yeah, so fall decor did win the poll. So the first lucky winner will win this. So it says, I love you more than pumpkin anything. And also it will be with this, pumpkin spice and everything nice. So these 2 cute little pumpkin signages, and this one's actually kind of heavy. This one's hollow, but still, I think it'll be really cute together in your home. And then the second winner will win this sign. It says, but I think I love fall most of all. And then this cute pumpkin, which I almost kept for myself, but I did it. But yeah, all that information will be linked down below for the giveaway. And that's it, guys. I'm so happy we're here again. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.